Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Baroni. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of my Swiss Army knife. No, I am not Swiss. If that's a thing. I mean, I don't know. I don't know where this comes from. I think it comes from Italy. I don't know. So yeah, I actually got this from my technically uncle. Because, hang on, let me, sorry, Mom's in the footage, and I know that she does not like being in the footage. So, the review of this, so whenever you look at it, it folds into three different things. The first thing is a can opener. The second thing is a cork bottle thing opener. And, of course, the knife, because it can't be a Swiss Army knife without the knife, because that's the part of it being called a Swiss Army knife. So, okay, I watched, 3D Central's butterfly knife video, and I really wanted it. But I just thought to myself, why would I want that whenever I already have this, and whenever I also have this Master Sword figurine plastic thing that's okay to open with tape, or just packages in general. So, yeah, I just don't want you guys to think that I'm Sweden, because I'm not. I am full American, guys. I am American. And my name is actually on our shelf. I will be telling you guys what my name is later on in this video. So, you know, what I'm going to do, actually, is have a face, like, a face recording video. Not like face recording, but like a, okay, so I don't even know what to call it anymore. Like, I literally just thought of it. Hang on. I can't remember. It's, face something. It's, I can't remember what it's called. Well, I can't remember what it's called. I've been sitting here for like a minute trying to think of it. It's, video chat, that's it. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. So, I'm gonna video chat with my friends, and they're gonna ask me questions that you guys might think. You know, I hope you guys really do. I'm gonna not face. I'm thinking a little Maggie right now. I'm going to video chat with my friends, and they're gonna ask me questions live. Not live, but they're gonna ask me the questions that you guys might be wondering. And I will upload that video, and tell me if you guys want more of that. If not, I will just go back to doing my Minecraft Q&As. Or maybe I'll do the face Q&As, I'm not too sure. I'll try and figure it out. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm just going to say it right now. I'm going to show you guys. Ready to see my real name? Let me get up so then I can show you guys. Okay. So,